Hello and welcome to Real Estate Reality with Darren and Joe of Urban Hillsides Real Estate, here to answer your questions on real estate here in Los Angeles. So Darren, it's January and we're still on the theme of planning well for a fantastic year.
Yeah, which brings me to the thought of the planning that we did last year as a team. It was our first experience of planning together and really focusing to exercise a personal and professional plan that we put into play. And we wrote down expectations that were far beyond what we thought we would achieve, and it really pushed us to do well. It was successful, it felt great, it kept us on target. So to all of you out there who are thinking about doing great things in 2016, consider putting it on paper. It always brings you back to center.
Right. Yeah, I mean, the only other thing I could add to that is honestly monitor it as well. You know, we all get sort of bashed around with work pressure, life pressure, and we lose sight of those things. But definitely monitor those goals, write them down first. So is 2016 the right time to buy? We have a lot of people probably asking that question inside their heads. This year, as much as any, your personal circumstances will dictate that. So Darren, just in general, what are some of the conditions right now to consider in 2016 if you are thinking about buying?
Right. Well, they identified recently that we will have the fewest amount of cash buyers in the market since 2008.
Love that.
And for those of you who have been out there in the market at all as a buyer, you know you hear that too often. You lost out to a cash buyer. That's a bad thing to hear, where you feel you don't even have a chance at buying a property. And those buyers have left the market because we're not expecting double-digit gains this year. And those buyers are in it for the short term. So the expected appreciation for this year is in the range of 3 to 4%.
Right. Now, certainly in some parts of LA, Northeast LA in particular, you know, that percentage can be much higher. So expect a little bit more there.
Yeah, but the 3 to 4% is still appreciation, and it's also historically a strong average of growth and stability.
Right. Stability is important.
Yes, in the real estate market, stability is important. Yeah. We don't want to see the yo-yo of what happened in the late 2000s. So when this happens, when we start approaching a more balanced market coming out of a very strong seller's market, we will see some sellers come off the sideline who have been thinking about selling. Right. So we might see some additional inventory this year. It's important when we start seeing that to be able to decipher good and bad. You have your personal desires in a house, which may be met, but we also, as realtors, want to make sure it's a strong financial investment for you.
Right. So be selective. A lot more choice, but you're going to still need to be even more selective.
Yes.
Got it.
So the other thing to think about is rents. Into 2016 and beyond, there's no expectation for them to be going down. If you are a renter, the thing to think about is continued rental increases.
Yeah. I think I've heard till 2018 was the expectation.
Yeah. So, it's maybe it's a time to buy because of that. If you're considering buying multi-units, which we are very strong in, there will still be some competition. So be prepared for that, but it is still a good long-term investment.
Great. So guys, as always, we encourage early evaluation, whether you're a buyer or a seller, to find that success in 2016. And keep in mind, we love first-time buyers. Already in January, we've had some great success with our first-time home buyers. So here's to your success in 2016. We'll see you in a couple weeks. Have a good week. Take care. Bye now.